Welcome back to the channel for another video on our 05 STI. So we got the 22 in the background over here and the STI right next to it. So Tomioka Racing sent over one of their lightweight racing battery kits, and I posted on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram handle here so you guys can participate in the next poll, but I did ask everyone, should we put the battery kit in the 22 or the 05 STI, and we had a 60% say 05 STI and 40 for the 22. So you already know what car we're putting it in. And here's the Tomioka Racing lightweight battery. Now, there are a few reasons why you would want to put a lightweight battery in. Besides it just being lightweight, it actually has better cold cranking amps than the factory battery. This is a 575. And if we go over to the 22 WRX and we go over here, we're at a 470 cold cranking amp. So we get more cold cranking amps with the TR battery. And then even with the even with the 05 STI, obviously this is not the OEM battery. This is a replacement that just came with the car, and it did test bad. So this battery did actually test bad at Advanced Auto Parts. If you go there, you can they can plug their or hook up their tester to the battery. They test the battery, starter, and alternator. So that was like one of the first things I did when I got this car, because I noticed it was a little bit weak starting. And then, yeah, they told me the battery is basically on its last leg, but it hasn't let me down yet. But we got this battery from Tomioka Racing, and everyone wants to put it in this car. So anyway, so this one is a 550 cold cranking amp. Not sure what battery or this was supposed to go in, but this car has a 550 cold cranking, and our TR battery, we're at 575. So even the aftermarket OEM battery that we have for the 05, the TR still beats it. It comes with a 2-year warranty, and they do sell it with the, I think it's called the C-Tech trickle charger. So I actually did end up ordering one of those. It's not required, especially if you drive the car every single day. This car doesn't get driven every day. The 22 gets driven a lot more. So we will put the charger on the battery, but I definitely just wanted to make a quick video of getting this installed. Another cool thing with the battery is it doesn't need to be just mounted straight up and down. It can be on its side. It is a sealed unit, so it's going to be nice to try to figure out where to put it in this area, and when we have our new intercooler piping, it's going to be much easier to route. We'll have more room on this side. Hey, we might even have access directly to the coil packs if we needed to check plugs or change plugs during tuning. On this side, easily accessible without taking anything off. I can get to the plugs. This side, the main thing I have to take out is the battery. I mean, this comes out in 2 seconds. I literally just took these out and just moved it to the side. I didn't even unhook it last time. And you have full access. So I bet you with this battery, we're probably gonna have pretty good access to the coil packs on this driver's side once we're done. But again, huge shout out to Tomioka Racing for sending out this battery to us. But enough talking, let's get this stock battery out and we'll see where we can mount this TR battery. Let's go. All right, battery, super simple to take out. We got 10 mils right here, 10 mil for the ground. And the power, this is an aftermarket adapter or just terminal that someone put on before we owned the car, and that is a 12, so super easy. Let's get it all taken off. All right, super easy. The old battery is out. Let's get the TR battery in, and positive is going to be this way. Get it placed down. And yeah, I mean, it's literally just as simple as that. I mean, so this is just like hooking it up the like regular way. Let's see if we can like flip it on its side. Get you guys a better view. Yeah, let's see if we can like, maybe we'll put it down on its like, on its side, and yeah, we'll see if we can get everything hooked up. All right, so definitely couldn't mount it like that. I was just like messing with these cables, and yeah, you can't really position it all the way down to if I were to mount it down. So I'm literally just gonna hook it up just like how it would be stock. All right, we got a little spark right there. We're good to go. But okay, so as far as the bracket goes, they did give us a rubber bracket, and it actually, I feel like it's actually meant to go like this way, because it actually like fits perfectly this way, and it's like kind of loose here. So what we're gonna do is, since this is like super nice as far as like these are all brand new here, we're just gonna use, and yeah, look how like crusty these stock ones are. So we're just gonna reuse these nice ones they sent us, and we're gonna use that STI right here, this STI aluminum battery tie. We will upgrade this in the future, but you can see the STI engraving there. So we'll just get that thing mounted up to hold our battery in. But yeah, I mean, just looking around, I mean, we definitely have some more access. But yeah, let's get the bracket on and everything, and we'll look at it from there. All right, so the new TR battery is installed, and yeah, definitely saves up some space. You can see physically how smaller it is now that the new battery tie, sorry, the old battery tie is in with the new battery. You can see that how just much shorter it is, how much room we have on this side. You can see our coil packs. We could probably get to this coil pack here, no problem without removing the battery. Probably just have to remove this thing to get to that back one, and that gives us even more access. So not only is it better cold cranking amps, but it's also a lightweight battery. So super happy with how that turned out. Let's test this battery out. Now you know we gotta test this battery out. We're gonna get a quick cold start in. I'll get you guys set up behind the car. Let's see if this car turns on. Let's go. All right, so the battery swap was a success. I mean, car fired up right away, like no issues, just like it was the other battery. But it is lightweight, so super cool. We are all set. Like I said, once we get that trickle charger, we are going to be hooking it up to this just to make sure it has the longest life possible. Now, it does come with a 2-year warranty, so if something does happen, you can always contact TR, and they can definitely help you out. But that's all I got for you guys on this one. Till next time.